Hello, in front of me I have Huawei Watch Fit 2 and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen timeout duration on this device. Basically how quickly the screen will turn off if you stop using your watch. First, you will need to wake up the screen on your watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, press the side button again to open the menu. In the menu, scroll down and tap on the settings icon. In settings, scroll down, find the option called display and brightness and tap on it. And here, scroll down and tap on the option called sleep. And right here, we have the list of durations as you can see. Select the duration you like. For example, I'm gonna select 10 seconds. And now my screen will turn off automatically after 10 seconds of inactivity. Like this. And that's how you change the screen timeout duration on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.